If you're using Windows 11 for gaming, there's a high chance your PC is still unoptimized, meaning you're losing FPS, getting input delay, and wasting performance. Today, I'll show you the fastest, safest, no download optimization that any PC can do. If guides like this help you, drop a like and subscribe. Create a restore point. Safety first. Search System Restore. Create restore point. Create. Name it Win 11 Optimized. Now let's boost your PC. 1. Disable the FPS killer timer. Search Device Manager, System Devices, High Precision Event Timer. Disable. If your FPS somehow drops, re-enable, but 99% get boosts. 2. Delete heavy temp files. Press Windows plus R and clean these two folders. %temp%, select all, delete, skip anything that can't be removed. Press Windows plus R and prefetch. Select all, delete, skip anything that can't be removed. Instant storage plus less system lag. 3. Fix power plan for maximum performance control panel. System and security. Power options. Choose what power buttons do. Click change settings that are currently unavailable. Disable fast startup. Stops fake shutdowns that cause lag. Now choose high performance. Change plan settings. Advanced. Set. PCI Express. Link state power management. Off processor power management. Minimum 100%. Maximum 100%. Apply. OK. 4. Enable storage sense settings. System. Storage. Storage sense on. Auto cleans junk weekly. 5. Disable remote desktop settings. System. About. Remote desktop. Off. Less background load plus better security. 6. Optimize visual effects for FPS system. About. Advanced system settings. Performance. Settings. Adjust for best performance. Turn on only these 4. Enable peak show thumbnails. Show window contents while dragging smooth edges of screen fonts. Everything else off. Under advanced, set priority to programs. 7. Fix mouse settings. Gamers must do this. Settings. Bluetooth and devices. Mouse. Additional mouse options. Pointer options. Pointer speed, 6 out of 11. Enhance pointer precision. Off. Removes mouse acceleration. 8. Turn off transparency effects settings. Personalization. Colors. Transparency effects. Off. Saves GPU usage. 9. Disable startup apps. Settings. Apps. Startup. Turn off anything you don't need on launch. Enable gaming features settings. Gaming. Game mode. On graphics. Optimizations for windowed games. On 11. Defragment and optimize drives. Open defragment and optimize drives. Change settings. Daily, automatically optimize new drives. HDD equals performance improvement. SSD equals does not boost FPS. It can reduce lifespan 12. Update Windows optional but helpful settings. Windows Update, check for updates. Updates often fix crashes and improve stability. And that's it. The fastest, safest Windows 11 optimization that actually boosts FPS and removes delay. If you felt the difference, drop a like. And if you want more quick guides like this, subscribe. See you at the next one.
Talking about nothing, then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say,